Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate MailerLite with WordPress. First you have to click on the integrations from the left side menu bar. Now from here you will find WordPress. After scrolling a little down you will find WordPress. Simply click on use, and here is the setup method that you have to follow. First, you have to download MailerLite plugin in WordPress. So go to your WordPress account and here go to plugins, and from here just simply download the MailerLite sign up forms. Here you can download it or unzip the file, or you can copy the name and you need to just paste the name here and search for it. And here is the original one, that MailerLite sign up forms official. You just need to install this plugin into your WordPress account. Right now I'm using a free version of WordPress. That's why it's asking me to upgrade my plan and activate this plugin. You just need to simply install this plugin into your WordPress account. You also can download this from here, and then from the left side you will find MailerLite plugin in your WordPress. Then you just need to follow that, unzip the download file and upload to your WP content plugin folder. Activate the plugin in the WordPress admin panel. Then after successful installation you will see the MailerLite icon in the left sidebar. Click it, enter your MailerLite account API key. You will find it under integration, and in the API you just need to click on this API here. You just need to click on use and generate a new token from here. You just need to name a new token from here. You just need to agree the time of use, and here is the API token that you need to use in your WordPress account. You just need to click on copy or download this code, and you just need to copy this code in somewhere safe. After that you just need to follow the next steps. Next step is you just need to click add a new sign up form. Choose web form, create it using MailerLite. If you want to use a sign up form that you already created in your MailerLite account, choose a custom sign up form if you want to create from now. If you want to include sign up form in the sidebar of your blog or website, go to appearance, then widgets, and drag MailerLite sign up form to the sidebar. Choose which sign up form to display. Now, if you want to include a sign up form inside your post or page, use shortcodes. We will see the MailerLite icon in your content editor. Click it and choose which form to display. It will put a shortcode, for example MailerLite from ID1 it, and your visitor will see the sign up from in the page. And that's how you can add the form that you have created in MailerLite in your WordPress account. Also, if you want a custom form, then you can also create a custom from now from this MailerLite plugin if you install in your WordPress account. So that's how you can integrate MailerLite with WordPress. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.